The Department of Migrant Workers confirms the rescue of two Filipino domestic helpers who went missing in Hong Kong. According to the DMW, the two OFWs were picked up by Hong Kong police and is currently at the custody of the Migrant Workers Office and Overseas Workers Welfare Administration. Here's the report.
The two missing overseas Filipino workers in Hong Kong were found safe, according to the Philippine Consulate Office. The two Filipino domestic helpers were last seen on a country trail in Tuen Mun District last October 4, and they went missing for almost 2 weeks. Migrant Workers Secretary Hans Layo Kakdak said on Friday that the two Filipino were picked up by Hong Kong police and were brought to the Migrant Workers Office and Overseas Workers Welfare Administration.
Yung ating dalawang OFW sa Hong Kong ay nahanap na kagabi mga alas 10:30 nakatanggap ng tawag yung ating MWO Assistant Labor Attaché.
The Secretary adds that both Filipino undergoes psychosocial counseling under the social services of the migrant workers. The Philippine government also settles the repatriation of the two domestic helpers.
Ulat lang na pumasok sa akin kanina is nawala daw sila sa hiking on a certain trail, yung Long Mun Country Trail. Yun lang, ginagather pa natin yung sapat na detalye. But for this morning siguro, sapat mo lang na mauulat na nakita na yung dalawa.
The Philippine Consulate Office in Hong Kong has yet to release any details on the disappearance of the two OFWs that were last seen trailing on Tuen Mun District nearly 2 weeks ago. The DMW chief noted that the stay of the OFWs is depending on their employer if the cancellation of their contract is final.
May medical check-up sila ngayong araw at merong na-terminate na sila sa kanilang employer. Kaya't kukunin na yung kanilang belongings doon sa kanilang employer. Pero bago pa man ito mangyari ay susubukan muna nilang magpaliwanag sa kanilang employer kung ano nangyari.
This is Alvin Palabello for EuroTV News.
Hi, I'm Alvin Palabello. Catch the late night news on EuroTV News Thread only here at EuroTV Philippines. You may also watch our delayed telecast at Pinoy Extreme Cable Channel. Also, don't forget to visit our website, eurotvph.com, for more news and information.